Siza la abafuni ungisiza but uqashiwe. I don't understand. Thatha ifoni yami. Thatha ifoni yami. Thatha ifoni yami. Ithatha ifoni yami like this. Why you being violent? Why you being violent? Why you being violent? Why you being violent? Why you? She's being violent on me and I'm a male. Is that allowed here? Is that allowed here? Is that allowed for a female to be violent on a male? Is that allowed? The cameras are here. We can see your cameras. You can watch your cameras. The cameras are here. Is it allowed for this woman to be violent on me? No, hold on. I'm trying to be straightforward. I'm asking a simple question. Is it allowed in this bank for this woman to be violent on me? No, hold on. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. She's trying to grab me. She's trying to grab me. Is that allowed? Why she didn't report me? Why she? No, she's being disrespectful. This is disrespectful. This is disrespectful. How can you grab a client? 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 Did I try and grab you? Did I try and grab you? Why are you grabbing a client? No, she's grabbing me. She's grabbing me. You guys are all against me now because she was trying to be violent against me. Is that the reason you are trying to gang up on me? Is that the reason? No, I was just disrespected now. I don't care. Why you guys are against me? Why you guys are against me for no reason? Your colleague was being violent against me. So you are against me. You two guys are against me. You're not talking to your colleague. You're talking to me. Because I want you guys to hear me clear. It's like you guys don't understand me here. Who's in charge here? Who's in charge? Who's in charge here? Can I ask 3 times one question? Who is in charge? Come on, guys. You're not allowed to tell me who's in charge. You guys are not allowed to be hiding the person in charge. But it's simple English and it's a simple question. I'm angry now because you guys are disrespectful here. I'm angry because I'm asking, okay, I'm going to ask this again. Who is in charge here? Who is in charge here? I need the office to report what's happening here. I need someone in charge so I can report. Who is in charge? I'm asking a question. Okay, I'm asking in Zulu now. Ubani or in charge? Musum Shaba, don't pay me like this. Don't pay me like this. I know, but don't pay me like that. But you don't have a right to pay me like this. Do you have that right? What company are you working for? What company are you working for? What company are you working for? What company? I'm a security too. I'm a security too. I know the laws of security. I know that I'm a security too. I know that you can't pay me like this. I know you can't pay me like this. Okay, let's talk. Let's talk me and you now. Let's talk. Okay, I'm sitting down. Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. They're busy putting people in front of me. So I need help right now. I've been here the whole time. Ngifuna umuntu in charge ngoba yena uyangidisrespect and akafuni yena unginikeza. Ima wafawusike court la le ndaba izoya lapho. Okwamanje ngisafuna usizo ngizelela. I have this, I need help. For now I need help. Can I get that help? Can I get that help? Ngike court la. I need a lawyer for that. Do you have a lawyer? I don't have a lawyer right now. So we can't discuss those matters. I'm not worried about customers because they're not worried about me. That's the problem. Don't point me like that. Can you please don't point me like that? Don't point me when you talk. That's not professional. No, I need help. I have this thing here. I need help. Because you guys are making me stupid. I need help and you don't want to help. Yeah. It seems like you guys don't understand. That's why I need to be loud so it can get in your minds that I need help right now. There's this skill. I'm not forcing anything here. It's Capitec. I've been a client for long. I know once you have this, you need to get help. But I've been sitting the whole time. What's happening? I've been sitting that time. I'm not a customer, me. So why I'm not getting help like other customers? Why I'm not carrying? No, they called number 4 and they helped him.
Yeah, waiting list. Let's see, mine's number 898. So you must be before me.
Exactly, it's been happening.
Yeah, let's calm down. I'm making us all scared.
I'm scared too.
Making everybody scared. You're creating
Are you working here?
No, I'm not. I'm also waiting with you. But don't scream. You're making me scared.
But you sound more professional than them.
Worry, let's talk me and you now. Leave him there. He says other people are coming before him and getting seen. So that's what he's saying. I haven't read the numbers. No one's calling out numbers. Nothing.
The thing is, you don't mind. We are gonna help him because I know you came to me at the door, but then the other lady was there because I didn't understand what's going on. So now he's shouting, taking
He's shouting and saying
and
people are
Because you're violent. How can you grab a customer like